Good morning and welcome to Renew, a state-of-the-art collision repair centre designed specifically for electric vehicles, and we specialise in Teslas. This is a purpose-built facility that we designed specifically to repair electric vehicles. We are the Tesla recommended repairer, so what we did was we went out and organised the greatest technology and assembled the best technicians that we could to create an experience that's unparalleled in Western Australia. My technicians are the most highly trained, so I'm certain that I can certainly provide a high level of repair quality. There's comfortable reception facilities, there's the ability to have a nice drink, watch a bit of television. We make sure that from the beginning of the process right through to delivery of the vehicle, that the whole experience should be positive for you. So we have the latest in aluminium repair technologies in regards to welders, in regards to dent pulling technology, state-of-the-art composite repair room, which is very important when you're isolating certain composites away from the environment so that you can make sure that the environment's sterile and that there'll be no contamination during the repair process. We have a state-of-the-art paint line technology that allows us to repair the vehicle through to the polishing process without having to actually drive your vehicle. So once it goes onto the paint line, basically a driverless mode where we can repair your vehicle right through to the polishing phase without having to drive your vehicle. And what that enables us to do, from the minute it arrives on that paint line, it'll be completed all the way through to the polishing process. It enables us to work quickly, but at the same time to a very high quality and a high standard. In regards to additional services, where we offer detailing services, polishing services, we'll be able to do wheel refurbishments, and we'll be able to do paintless dent removal. But really, anything that you require that's to do with the repair of your Tesla or any other model for that matter that's electric, we'll be able to definitely give you those services.